Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make a delicious filet mignon at home. And it's not as hard as you might think, okay? We're gonna be using some very simple ingredients here. We've got some fresh rosemary, we've got a little bit of butter, some whole garlic cloves, a little bit of kosher salt, and some black pepper, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of oil on our steak. Then we're going to very generously season our steak. You want to season all the sides because you're going to eat all the sides, okay? Now you want this pan to be nice and hot when you put the steak in so you get that nice crust on the outside of the steak, okay? You can press it down gently, make sure you get an even sear, but you don't want to smash it down in the pan. After it's been a minute or so, then you're good to flip. Now, one of the things you can check, if you try to move your steak and it still sticks to the bottom, don't panic, just leave it alone. It just needs to sit for another minute. It hasn't finished caramelizing yet. There we go. Beautiful color. It's exactly what I'm looking for. Now that I've put it in, the other side, we're going to add our butter, gonna add our garlic, and we're gonna put in a couple of sprigs of rosemary. And what we're gonna do is called basting, okay? So you're gonna take this yummy butter that we're infusing with garlic and rosemary, okay? And you're gonna scoop it over the top, and you're just gonna keep doing this over and over again. So I'm gonna put this in the oven and we're gonna leave it in there at 450 degrees for about 5 minutes. What I'm looking for is a nice medium rare. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my cutting board out here and we are going to check on this steak. Look at that beautiful color. Okay, set this to the side. Now it's really important that you let this rest at least 5 minutes. I've got some roasted potatoes and carrots here on the plate. Let's go ahead and cut into this. So the other thing you want to look for is look for the grain of the meat. Okay, I can see it's running this way, so we're going to cut it the opposite way. Okay. Beautiful. And there you have it, our delicious, flavorful filet mignon that you can make at home. As you can see, this was so simple to put together, but it's a great way to impress your friends or your family. So I hope you have fun cooking at home.